So guys, welcome to the channel. As usual, my name is Nabweru official. Right now I'm in a place called Nabweru, and I want to take you from Nabweru to Bwai. So we're going to use this route here and I'll take you up to Bwai, guys. So join me in this interesting video here in Nabweru as you will see this place and how it looks like here in Nabweru. So keep it to the channel, subscribe, like and comment, guys. Join me guys here. Let's go. This is it, man. Nabweru. This is a busy place. See, people are doing businesses here. See, have shops. Here they say chicken here. Let's say people here are busy doing work here in Nabweru. Yeah, this is it. Without let's look like here. See here, saying vegetable. This is pumpkin, tomatoes. That is potatoes here. So this is it here in Nabweru. You can see here, here they say charcoal. Yeah, people are doing businesses here. A lot of businesses. Down here is a garage, it's a garage here. Yeah, a lot of businesses that are taking place in this side of Nabweru. It is in our Kiso district. It's in our Kiso district, guys. So keep it to the channel, guys. Let's grow this channel. Subscribe, like and comment. Yeah. So this is how this place looks like here. There is a church called Success Revival Center International. It is Success Revival Center International Church. I see. These are students here. They are praising God. Yeah. Yeah. This is how Nabweru looks like here. This part of Nabweru. I've not taken you to the busy place, but in with time I will take you to the other Nabweru, which is the busy one, the busy side. But today I was from side of Nansana. I decided to pass here in Nabweru. So if you have seen that video of Nansana, you see I'm in the same, you see same shirt, same what, yeah, that is it. So I was making a video from that side of Nansana. Then I decided to take you here in Nabweru, and you see how it looks like here. You see how the streets look like here, and down there the road is under construction, as you will be seeing in front, there. Yeah. So it has rained. The place is mud. A lot of mud on the street, a lot of water. Because when the road is under construction, this soil, when it rains, it becomes mud. It becomes mud. Yes. Let's go up to. We're gonna walk up to Rice side. See, around here they sell bananas. As you know, Uganda, our staple food is banana. We eat banana here. See it here. That shop, they are selling banana. Yeah. This is it. It looks like here. So we have started this road where construction is taking place. Here. See? A lot of mud. See? Place is mud. So this side also goes to Nabweru, the other place I've been telling you, the busy one. Nabweru, where is the busy place, is behind that side. But today I'm going to take you from here to right in front here. So this is how the road looks right here. No, Uganda is a developing country. A lot of construction. A lot of construction is taking place. Construction of buildings, roads, hospitals. So that is it. And that's why you see most of the videos that most bloggers that are making, you find when they are dusted, there's a lot of dust in it. It's because of too much construction. Yeah. As a developing country, we are starting to develop, meaning that a lot of construction has to take place here. And most of the roads here, they have started constructing them on standard level, like the way compared to what it was in past years. Because they just come and do tarmac without putting stone base, without making working on drainages. But for these roads that they are making today, they first work on drainage. As you can see, there's culverts here, a lot of culverts. They are working on the drainage that side, and then after working on the drainage, they come and do tarmac. They come and put stone base down. After stone base, they put stone dust on top. They pour, I've forgotten what they call it, but that thing that looks like oil, which they pour on top of on that stone base. Yeah. And then follows tarmac. So that is it, and this is how now we are doing these days. Meaning there is a big change. The government has woken up, started doing better jobs here in Uganda, especially in towns, in cities like Mbarara side, Mukono, all cities that you know here in Uganda. There is a lot of construction that is taking place. Yes. Everywhere you go, you find road construction. When you go to, was in Mukono also, those small roads they have started working on them. So that's what I've been telling you, that there is a lot of dust in Kampala, Uganda, in these cities that you used to see, because that dust comes from too much construction. Yes. See, sorry, banana there. This is it. Walking to Bryce there. So guys, have been telling me that you have to go to Rice, but before reaching Rice, you have to pass through Nabweru. You have to pass Nabweru, and then we go to right side. Yes, keep it to the channel, man. Let's walk, let's tour this place and see how they look like here. Yeah. I told you, see a lot of businesses that are taking place. Fun ladies putting a small store, putting like bananas, like fruits. Small businesses like for ladies that they can manage. Yeah. And this road up here, it takes you where we have started this when we get this up, we go where we have started this video. Nabweru. That side. Yeah. That is it. See? Here is shoe shop. Ladies, shoes for ladies. Here. Shoes for ladies. Yeah. So yeah. This is it. Guys, there's a lot of motorcycle garages this side. See, even up there, across the road, there is a motorcycle garage. Right there. Yeah. As you know, and I told you, as I've been telling you, we have a lot of motorcycles this side of Kampala. Yeah. Uganda, not only Kampala. Of course, when you go to cities like Mbarara, you find borders. When you go to Guru, that's what you find. When you go to Mbale, that's what you find. A lot of borders here. And these people who are making borders, they have big markets here in Uganda. They have big markets. Yeah. Yes, you have big markets here. So here, there is the furniture shop here. There is a showroom for furniture here. See here, roasting maize. Roasting maize. Here. Pita mali squat ago. Mali squat ago mali pita mali.
Lwaki ogenda okwala? Lwaki ogenda okwala?
Nkola video zange za YouTube. Nkola video just one.
Oliwa video? Video ki?
Za YouTube. Za YouTube.
Saiki?
YouTube.
Video za YouTube? Oli TikToker?
YouTubers. YouTuber, si TikTok. YouTuber.
Oli YouTuber? Ku mukoto ki?
So guys, I forgot and I like you because I forgot. The outside where I started the video, the place is called Katoke. We are in Katoke, and then this is Nabweru, where we are here. That is it. Here in Uganda. So this is it here. This is it. Nabweru. We left Katoke and now we are in Nabweru. Yeah. This is it. Cool. Alright. Nabweru. Yeah. All right. Wait. It's a garage here, man. Yeah. This is it. Really. YouTube. So see. So this is it here. So this is inside Nabweru. All right.
Investor, ugamba
Yes, sir. Train Carabas. Nabweru. So I think this is Nabweru. So this is selling matoke, selling potatoes. That is it here in Nabweru. This is how Nabweru looks like. So this is the bigger part of it here. So let's end our video here. That side, I told you that you're going to stop to rice, but I made a video for you for rice. Check it to the channel and find that video of rice and Nabweru stew. Yeah. So what you need to do, skip the channel, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm looking at YouTube. Mbeera ku YouTube. Just kulaba nga ku YouTube, obeera ku YouTube olaba video zibeerawo, bw'oba oyagala kulaba So this guy is selling yellow bananas here.
Yes, yellow bananas. The banana is the bananas.
Yeah. So he's keeping moving around with this basket of bananas, selling to people. You can see.
The banana is the banana in here.
Kajeria buli meka.
Yeah, we got
Asajja yakumi, so she's paying us 3 pieces for 1,000. You can see here. So these are sweet bananas here that we have in Uganda. Most of the people are doing this job. And they have provided employment to the youth, so you can see here.
Yes, the bananas.
Yeah.
The bananas.
Making money serious. So wabuli wakujani. Akiramu tambuli okolera wamuno mu guli.
Nkolera wano Nabweru.
Okolera the streets zino. The streets zino okolera ko wano.
No street mwenkolera amembo asukwalu.
Tukale bwaisi.
Bwaisi onatambulira ye bwaisi.
Where are you calling boss?
The banana.
Yeah. So let's end our video here. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment guys. See you in the next video.